What's up, guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. Today we're going to be upgrading the exhaust on the F150. If you can see the box behind me, we've got a rough country off-road performance exhaust system. Let's pop this open, see what we got. I probably should have checked this stuff when I got it. We've had it sitting in the garage for a while now, waiting to do it. Oh man, whew. We got a lot of pipes here. All right, I'm gonna lay all this out so you can check out what we have here, and then we'll do a before and after sound clip. Honestly, the F150 stock, the F150 stock is usually very quiet. We have a pretty bad exhaust leak on the F150. It sounds like we have like a straight exhaust system on it. You'll see what it sounds like when we start it up. All right, guys, we got the exhaust system unboxed. This is kind of what I think it's supposed to look like once it's on the car. I'm just laying it out so we have an idea of how it needs to go on and what pieces we have to go with. I have to give old rough country props. Like, they wrapped all of the piping is wrapped so you don't get damaged. They pretty much give you everything you need. That muffler looks really small, but hopefully it's not going to make the car too loud. But honestly, with how bad the leak is on the exhaust system right now, anything has got to be better. And so you can see that's the whole pipe where it connects to. So this is going to be considered a catback exhaust system. Now the jewelry, as you will, we have the really nice kind of a flat black exhaust tips that this kit allows you to either go straight out the rear of the car or out the sides behind the rear wheels. And I think we're going to do out the sides behind the rear wheels because I think that's the look I would like to go with right now. I don't think the rear bumper doesn't really have the cutouts, and if I do an aftermarket bumper, the great thing about this kit, you can always go back and forth depending on what you like. So run one, see how you like it. If you don't like it, switch it to the other one, and you could do that. So this is an all-encompassing kit. You could do either straight out the rear of the bumper or out the back of the rear wheels, right behind the rear wheels. So check this out. It also gives you full directions, everything you need. Really cool color, all the torque specs, everything that's supposed to come in the kit, all the tools that you might need, and all the hardware that's included. It also gives you the layout, and this fits all configurations of the truck. You will have to make one cut depending on what length bed and cab you have, which is this pipe here. I think we might need to use this and cut it down because we do have a super cab with the 6.5 foot bed. So I believe we need to cut that down because I think our length would be 157 inch. I think that's correct, because we have a Super Crew 6.5 foot bed. So we got to cut 6 inches off of this pipe here. But as you can see, it shows you can either go out behind the rear wheels or straight out the rear bumper, out underneath the rear bumpers, which is really cool. Everything, this is the stainless steel kit. Everything is nicely wrapped. We're gonna have to unpack all of these. It looks really nice. We're gonna get the tools together. But before that, let's do a cold start on a busted stock exhaust system, which is gonna sound like hell. But let's see how that sounds. Guys, so that's a stock exhaust. It actually kind of sounds good at idle. It gives you that real throaty noise, but once you get on the highway, it gets really drony. There's definitely a big hole or crack somewhere in the exhaust. Right now, Al is spraying all the bolts and everything with rust penetrant, so hopefully we can get it off and not have to cut anything. We're checking out, see what sizes we need. It's definitely going to be a fight to get this one off, but you know, you got to get it done. Alright guys, it looks like there was an exhaust system on here at some point, because they used the spot that I needed to put the new hanger. So I'm gonna have to try to get this off. It looks like someone chopped it off and put a stock exhaust on it. But yeah, that's gonna be fun because it actually looks like someone welded the corner here. So I'm gonna try to get that off and then replace it with that. We're coming along because this is a Super Crew with a 6.5 foot bed. It says in the directions we need to cut 6 inches off of the extension piece on that. So Al's working on that right now, and then we can add the muffler, which is there, and then we could do the pipes that go over the axle, and then attach the end pieces to go out from behind the rear tires. So we got everything put together. We tightened up all the brackets, as you can see. It looks pretty good. I like it. Everything has pretty good fitment. There is some adjustability, so it's always good to loosely put it in first and then slowly tighten from one side back. This way you can get the right fitment. But as you see, everything looks good. We had to put the mount. This is the mount that I switched out for that rusty one that we cut out. There are some retainer clips that we have to get on to the ends here just to stop this from when it shakes, that it doesn't slide out. But we decided to go the side exits. I like it. We'll start it up and do a couple revs so you can hear how it sounds. But we got good clearance for the drive shaft. Yeah, that all looks good. I don't want it sticking out too far. I kind of like that. You can see the Rough Country logo on the tips. Yep, this is the passenger side. You can see the Rough Country. Alright, Al, let's start it up so you can hear how it sounds at idle. Also, we can check for leaks. Everything looks pretty good. You want to do some revs out? Let me stand back a little bit. Looks good. Sounds good. Yeah. Looks pretty good. I like it. So definitely got rid of the ugly exhaust tip. Looks a lot better all black. Cut back the other way. Alright guys, that wraps it up. I'm going to take some video of the torque specs and everything so you guys can see. But if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.